reading Two States while I was shooting for Student, and that time I didn't know that it was going to be made into a film. I remember speaking to Abhishek once where he said that, this is an idea and all. And I, obviously, at that time I was so young, I didn't even think that I would be able to do Two States. I didn't even think about it being a film like as such. But I remember while reading the book that, this girl, I think she's really cool. And I have a feeling if you see her, she's going to be really pretty. It's such a cool character, and while reading that, it's true! Just keep quiet. Anyway, so when this film was being made, I didn't ever in my life think, and I think Abhi would second me on that, I didn't think it was going to come to me. And it did, and for me to do this film, initially me and Abhi didn't talk much because he thought I was really young and he thought I was not worth talking to during Student. Yeah. But
while making the film, they were not.
While making the film, will you let me speak or you just want to? It has been such a learning experience for me, to work on this film, playing a Tamilian. I had a lot of fun speaking in Tamil and obviously working with the great Arjun Kapoor. So thank you Karan and thank you Sajid Nadiadwala and thank you Chetan Bhagat for making this film, writing this book and making it a part of our life. Obviously, I remember actually when we were here, Karan was very nervous. जब हम लोग स्टेज पे आने वाले थे और बात करने वाले थे, he came out and he was looking like he was going to, whatever. He was so nervous about us being on stage. And I think today, me being on stage talking Karan is still nervous. What are you? No, Karan, yeah.
That was very nice.
So that parivartan zyada hai nahi, but as an actor, of course, with each film you learn more. But I think I'm the same person. No, I don't think that much. It doesn't work for me when I overthink or think. So I just go with my gut feeling, and with Two States there was no thinking. As I said that when I read the book itself, I fell in love with the character.
Right.
So there was no like, will I be able to do it or not? I just went for the opportunity. Two States is also different from Highway and from Student. I'm playing an older girl.
Right.
I'm playing a Tamilian.
Right.
I'm the character graph and the character is very different. The story is different, so it is different, and that's my general plan. Obviously, costume done by Manish Malhotra. There's no thinking. There's no thinking.
The consensus is there is no thinking.
Basically, I didn't have to worry about anything, and neither did Abhishek, because Manish just gets this Indian fusion look so well, and the film moves from the beginning to the end. There's as Karan said, we're in Ahmedabad, we're in this thing, we're in that thing. So there's each different city has a different look, because in times of the film also it's a different period in that time. So we've really played around with the look and the jewelry and everything, but we've kept it simple and we've kept it modern, not trying too hard. She's a modern day South Indian girl. She's not speaking in that tone 24/7. Probably when she's speaking to her parents, then that little nuance does come in, but otherwise she's a modern day South Indian girl. So you won't see me being that way.